You spend $6 without thinking, and somehow that tiny decision quietly turns into thousands of dollars disappearing over time. And no, this isn't one of those dramatic finance warnings. This is literally how most people lose money. It doesn't feel like a mistake. It feels normal. You're tired, you order something. You're bored, you buy something small. You see a discount. Suddenly you're saving money by spending it. And every time it's a small amount. $5, $10, maybe $20. Nothing that feels serious. Nothing that makes you stop. Which is exactly why it's dangerous. Because your brain only reacts to big losses. Not small leaks. Let's make this painfully simple. You spend around $6 a day on things you don't really think about. Doesn't feel like much. That's just one snack, one quick order, one random purchase. Now stretch that out. That's about $180 a month. Around $2,000 a year. Now here's where it gets uncomfortable. If that same money was saved or invested instead, over a few years, it doesn't just stay $2,000. It grows slowly at first, then faster, until you're looking at something closer to $10,000, $15,000, or more depending on time. And all of it came from something that felt completely harmless. One small daily habit. That's the real problem. It's not the amount, it's the repetition. Because repetition turns small into massive. But when it comes to spending, repetition is invisible. You don't feel it. You don't track it. You don't question it. You just keep doing it. And the worst part, most people try to fix this the wrong way. They try to cut everything. No spending, no fun, full discipline mode, which lasts maybe 3 days. Then they snap and spend even more. So the solution isn't to stop spending completely. It's to notice what's automatic, because most of your money isn't spent intentionally. It's spent by default. Habits, moods, convenience. Not decisions. A simple shift changes everything. Before you spend, just pause for a second, not to stop yourself. Just to ask, would I still buy this if I had to think about it? Because most of the time, you won't. And that's where your money gets saved. Not from big sacrifices, but from interrupting small, repeated habits. Bringing this back to real life. That $6 you don't care about, that's not just $6. It's $6 repeated hundreds of times. It's $6 plus all the growth it could have had. And once you see it like that, it's hard to ignore. And here's the uncomfortable truth. You're not losing money because of one big mistake. You're losing it because of small decisions you don't even remember making. Which means, it's not your income that's holding you back. It's the habits you stopped paying attention to.